1, keep balance. 2, nice. 3, very good job. 4 and 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come front. 2, come on, continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. Okay, come, high thigh, thang thigh. Straight, you open your hands. Left hand thigh chai swung. Right hand over your head, grab your ankle. Yes, so as much as possible, try to knee straight. That's great. Beautiful stretching, nice. Yeah, stay here. Very good, excellent everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slowly 5. Okay. Yeah, grab the stick and right hand grab your left ankle. Very good. If you can, then thigh chai length. Yes, keep balance. Beautiful, beautiful. Slowly. 1, nice. 2, good job. 3, try to lift up your hands. 4 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, keep balance. Just slowly keep balance. Come down, thangchan. No problem. 1, 2, beautiful. Thigh filling. 3, 4, 2, 3, slowly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Chin file in, right leg up. If you can, then grab your ankle. If you cannot, then thigh chai chin file. Beautiful. You have to balance. 1, thigh chai in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, first left leg fold. Yeah. If you can, then twist your hands. If you cannot, just slowly thang. Yeah. 1, twist your hands. Very good. 2, nice. Come on, everybody. 3, 4, beautiful. 5, okay, relax. 1, very good job. 2, 3, excellent. 4, and hit bow, lean, thora, sung. High thigh open units. Hit bow, lean, thang thigh lean, thora, sung. Very good, excellent. Hit bow, lean up, thora, sung. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can, then high thigh sung. Split your leg. Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent posture. Nice, nice. Okay, that's great. High thigh, thang thigh lean. Bend 5, right side, sung. Hit bow, center. Tha, chai, left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Hit bow, high thigh, thang thigh lean. Tha, high thigh, thang thigh, sung. Come front. Yes, excellent. Very good. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Hit bow, high thigh lean. Both hand, grab your both ankle. High thigh, high chin. High thigh, high chin. Come sung. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.